The Orange County Commission is set to meet Tuesday to, in part, discuss an addendum to modify their ICE agreement that would give the county the power to not just detain those in ICE detainers, but to transport them to ICE-approved facilities, a move that may complicate an already difficult process for attorneys to serve their clients. Spectrum News 13 reporter Brandon Spencer sat down with a local defense attorney. He's joining us now. And Brandon, what's the process like for attorneys now when it comes to defending clients on ICE detainers?
Asher, it's basically a game of wait and see. Orlando attorney Jose Rivas says that when his clients are in the custody of local authorities like Orange County, he's able to communicate with them via phone or video calls. But once they're picked up by ICE, that's when he says that he can go weeks without even knowing where his clients are, making his job at times somewhat very much like a nightmare. The Orange County Jail has been hosting dozens of people in custody on ICE detainers, usually for 24 to 72 hours at a time. And after touring the Orange County Jail Monday, State Representative Anna Escamani and State Senator Carlos Guillermo Smith shared what they learned about detainees as they await their fate.
There's also a lack of immigration legal representation. None of them really have attorneys. And so it actually raises, I think, for us more questions, because we also learned today that detainees here have been taken to the Everglades.
It's a problem that Orlando attorney Jose Rivas knows all too well. Rivas says he has several clients on ICE holds and shares the difficulty of serving clients with the timetable that is so uncertain.
I mean, what we're seeing is we don't have time. When you're in a detention center, you're going to get desperate, and we can feel our clients, getting desperate and saying, you know what, I'm just not going to fight it. I'm going to plead guilty, or I'm just going to leave and give up.
Rivas also says that the majority of his clients are not facing violent crimes, and so to try to retain more time for them, he is urging his clients to not pay their bonds so they can stay in local custody longer, because once they're in ICE custody, Rivas says he has no clue when he may hear from his client again.
You got to get the case dismissed. We have to, and we have to fight it now more than ever, and we need our clients to stay in custody as much as least as possible, but at least that we've resolved the case.
While we were at Rivas's office, we had a chance to talk to one of his clients on the phone. She didn't want to share her name, but did tell us that her son is currently detained at the ICE facility in the Everglades, sharing her worries when she learned he was no longer in Orange County custody.
We didn't know what he was going to go through, so we didn't know if he's going to be mistreated, if he's going to be able to, to sleep well, what will be the kind of people that would be around him.
And while there's no update on his status, the mother does say her son has been able to communicate with her every day that he has been detained in South Florida. Rivas says even when he is finally able to get in contact and find his clients, there's no way of truly knowing when he's able to get consistent communication with them or be able to take them to immigration court to get their case resolved, putting him in one of the more difficult positions he's ever been in as an attorney.